What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Got a cracked screen. I went to Apple. They gave me an attitude. I felt like they were a legal thief. They tried to rob me with the price. They charged me over $300. I felt like I was getting robbed by a legal thief. And they told me about you guys. They said you guys the best.
Don't worry, I got you. Your phone is ready, sir.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me see. I'm a picky guy though. Let me tell you. Clean job. Everything works better than before. Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.